You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is c equals -5/6. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the c. Divide both sides by 6. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is c equals -5/6.